Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, we're going to play around with a very inexpensive mold and a little bit of dark chocolate. For today's video, I'm using dark chocolate and it is not tempered. So I melted it on a double boiler and there it sits and we're ready to use it. I'll just lift this up to show you what the mold is. I got this on Amazon online. Give this a little bit of a stir. And then, let's just go the really easy way and we'll start filling these up. So there we have it. That looks pretty good. And then, you just want to get air bubbles out. You can just drop it like this, or give it a tap, and that looks pretty good. Now this will solidify if you leave it here for many hours, but to make this really fast, I'm just going to pop this in my fridge for about 25 minutes, a half an hour maximum, and it'll all be chilled down, and then we can pop them out. So here we are again. These have been in the fridge for 30 minutes, so I'm going to flip them over, and then let's just give it a little tap. So far so good. And our last one, almost out. And there we go. Perfect. Let's bring them up here. Nice. So you can see, not a bad job, even though the chocolate was not tempered. So you need the cold of the fridge to release them from the mold. Because we did not temper our chocolate, there will be a little bit of melting going on when you do touch them. But they are pretty good. So I've zoomed in quite a bit, and you can see how nice these are. You can see that the mold picked up very nicely the little writing on here: kiss me, hot stuff, call me, say yes, you rock, true love, be mine, hug me, I don't think so, XOXO, I love you, kiss me. So a nice assortment from that little mold, and that mold was around $5 or something on Amazon. I'll just flip it over so you can see what they look like on the other side, so not bad. So there we go. So I just wanted to show you that with a little bit of chocolate and an inexpensive mold, you can still make something really cute. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.